if your hair has gotten a little longer than you're used to, let's talk about some ways to put it up. Yeah. Hi. Some ways to put it up to get it off your neck in this summer heat. So, Priya, your hair is actually too short to demonstrate on, and you're very wiggly. You're very, very wiggly. So, let's move on the frame here. We're going to demonstrate on Samantha. Her hair has seen better days. She's from 1989, so she's 31 years old. So, let's see. Priya, you've got a lot of my hair things there. Let's start with one that's good if your hair is probably around chin length.
Baby.
Yes, baby. Okay, so we're going to start at the front. No, don't kick the baby, please. Take a small section at the front, split in two, and pass the top section over the bottom section.
Mommy?
Yeah, I'm going to use those in a minute. Then take a little bit more hair into the bottom section and pass that over the top. Take a little bit of hair into the bottom, take it over the top. So you're going to repeat that until you get to the back of your head. So, take a little section in, put it over the top. Take a little section in, put it over the top. Put a little section in, put it over the top. You could also, if you know how to rope braid, this would also be a great time to rope braid. Give it a little twist. Okay, so when you reach about the bottom of your neck, then pin it in place while you do the other side. Bobby pins with the ridged side towards your scalp and then kind of cross them over each other in an X pattern. And then do the same thing on the other sides. Take a small section at the top. Hi, baby. Pass that over the top. Another section. Hi.
Meow.
Meow. Are you a kitty?
Meow.
Okay, can you stay a little bit back, honey?
Meow.
Take a little bit into the bottom section. Pass it over the top. Priya, move back, honey. They want to be able to see. A little bit over the top.
Mommy.
A little bit over the top.
Baby.
Yeah. Until you've used up the rest of your hair. Now, if your hair is short enough, you can just bobby pin this side and then that's it. But if your hair is a little bit longer, you can also put an elastic here. You could form this into a bun. You could keep twisting and then bring it all the way up, tuck into the sides, and pin there. You're gonna hug her, yeah. Let's get that go in the right direction here. So that's what we're gonna do on her. We're gonna tuck the remaining hair into the sides, and there you have a lovely, simple updo for shorter hair. Thank you. Double Dutch braids into space buns. Any kind of little double buns are called space buns, even ones that aren't as huge as Princess Leia and over the years. So, I'm going to split the hair in half, and then we're going to Dutch braid, which is 3 sections. Pass the sections under instead of over each other like you would for French braid, and on each end take a little bit more hair in. Because of this adding hair in, this is what makes it really good for holding shorter hair. Pass that under. You could do a French braid with this too. The Dutch braid is very in right now. It's kind of cool because it has a raised effect to it. You can really see it very well. Okay, so at the bottom there, I'm going to steal one of these hair elastics, pull it part way. Oops, I want to grab that hair from the other one. Halfway, and then around again into a cute little bun. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Yes, I'm going to use that elastic too. We're going to do this on this side. So there you have double Dutch braids with cute little buns at the bottom.
Mommy.
She has a little bit of extra excess hair. You wouldn't necessarily have that much excess. But you can see how the Dutch braids kind of stand out. Okay, now let's talk about styles for slightly longer hair, maybe around shoulder length. Peacock twist, which is where you take your hair and you kind of direct it upwards and twist like you're going to make a French twist, but you're going to leave the top out and then secure it with a barrette or a flexi or a slide. I like the flexis. This is less damaging than a barrette because it's not going to pinch or snag your hair. Oops, lost a section there. Well, you know, curl that around your face, be super cute. And then, you know, how much hair you leave out, it might tumble around and look really cute. So, that is a quick way to get shoulder length hair up off of your neck. Yeah, we have an even smaller flexi there. What should we do with that one? Okay, now we're going to talk about a Gibson Tuck. I'm going to use a bigger hair elastic here. And I'm going to make a ponytail. It's not quite at the nape of her neck. It's just a little bit higher. And not super high up to the scalp. Like, give it a little bit of space. And now I'm going to pull it apart from the top as though I were going to topsy-tail it. But instead, we're going to wrap this hair up and just tuck it into that space that we made so it doesn't go all the way through. And that is a Gibson Tuck. The same section. I keep leaving it out. Knock, knock. Another one that should work on shorter hair is an eternal roll. Baby.
Oh, baby.
Okay, one more, and then you can have the baby. Thank you. So I'm going to take a section of hair here and turn it away from her face, and then gently gather in more hair and just keep on turning it. Yeah. And this time you're just going to keep on going like that all the way around the head.
Oh, baby.
Almost done. Almost. And then what do you have left? Whoa, careful there. Okay. And keep turning and turning and turning. Tuck it into the beginning turn. And whoops. Stop making that. Use plenty of bobby pins to hold down. Goodness gracious. Plenty of bobby pins to hold down all of the little bits that are coming out here.
Mommy.
You have all of my pins. Okay. So, we'll have to end there. Yeah, there you go.